social jockey Nikita is back and you are watching your favorite, the most awesome and the most special show, Zoom It. Well, as you know guys कि Zoom celebrate कर रहा है अपना 9th birthday और इसी खुशी में हमारे पास है 9 celebs जो भेजेंगे अपनी request only on Zoom It. तो चलिए पहले हम देखेंगे कि who's the celeb who's requested a song today. Well, let's see.
I dedicate this song to Zoom on its 9th anniversary. Go Zoom It.
So well, that is Ajay Devgan requesting a song on Zoom's 9th birthday in his commanding voice. So let's check out the song. Well, so guys, अब अजय देवगन की उस रिक्वेस्ट के बाद हम देखेंगे अपनी नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट which is Psycho Ray, which is dedicated by Stubborn Anshima for Yamini. And उनका message is, yeah, today is her birthday and I'm not with her, so she must be saying very good words for me from her mouth. So I'm sorry dear, I can't attend your birthday. So just chill and have some fun with some psychopathy. आपको वैसे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है कि वो आपके पीछे गुड वर्ड्स बोल रही होंगी. वैसे होगा क्यों नहीं, सिंस यू आर स्टबर्न अंशिमा. लेकिन गाइज थोड़ी साइकोपंथी करो और ये गाना सुनो. Well, no more psychopathy now because it's time for our next sweet tweet. So let's see. It is by Varun Dhawan जिसने ट्वीट किया है dramatic with some play of lights. Well, काफी dramatic हो रहे हैं, but it's good to see you working. While moving on, we will see our next request, which is जादू की जप्पी, जो request किया है तेजा सत्या ने for मेरी sister. And उनका message is, her sister is someone who is sweet and supportive, kind and loving, cheerful and inspiring, a friend and my all-time laughter. Sis, you mean so much more than words can say. I love you forever and ever till the day I die. Oh my God, sister love in the air. But अच्छी बात है. But you know what, guys? If you have noticed Jacqueline in this song, I think she is looking the best in this Desi avatar. If you don't believe me, check it out right now. Well, अब जादू की झप्पी के बाद वक्त है एक ब्रेक का, तो कहीं मत जाइए, मुझसे बातें करिए और my Twitter handle @ZoomIt and I'll be right back. Hello again, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. Well, अब होने वाला है थोड़ा इश्क वाला लव. Well, obviously, because our next request is Ishq Wala Love, which is dedicated by Chittali for Siddharth Malhotra. And unka message is, I just have never had a crush on any actor, but since I saw your film Student of the Year, I got to know how people fall in love at first sight. That too with a person whom you don't even know and are sure about the fact that you will shayad never get a chance to see or meet him once in your life. But still, I am deeply in love. वाओ, पहली नजर में पहला प्यार, क्या बात है. आजकल सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा के फैंस भी बहुत सारे निकल के आ रहे हैं, लेकिन यू नो व्हाट, यू शुडंट फील कि आप उनसे कभी मिल नहीं पाएंगी बिकॉज इवन सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा इज ऑन ट्विटर, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज चिट चैट विद हिम ऑन हिज ट्विटर हैंडल. पर अभी के लिए एंजॉय दिस सॉन्ग फ्रॉम हिम. So well guys, अब बारी है एक और स्वीट ट्वीट की, which is by Shahrukh Khan and he has tweeted saying, this is too gutsy, faith, love, madness, I love my country, thanks Sachin and Sangeeta, experience of a lifetime. Well, so Shahrukh Khan को काफी मजा आया लगता है दही हंडी पर, लेकिन हम भी यहाँ कम मजे नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज अभी हम अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट देखने वाले हैं, which is Chanchal Manati Random. It's requested by Satyendra Sharma for Vinita Sharma and unka message is, I would like to play this song for my would-be father-in-law. Please consider the same and release my love soon. मत बनो मेरे प्यार के दुश्मन ससुर जी. This is one of the most hilarious messages I've got. But सत्येंद्र के होने वाले ससुर जी, आप दो प्यार करने वालों को अलग क्यों कर रहे हैं? मत बनो उनके प्यार के दुश्मन. अरे just follow the live and let live policy. Well, moving on guys, let's see our next request and it's a video request, so let's see.
I am Salman. I am dedicating a song for this Teachers Day to all my teachers. The song मैं तेरे अगल बगल हूँ, बस इसलिए cause मैं उनके अगल बगल रहता हूँ, but ना वो कभी मेरे सामने आते हैं, ना मैं उन्हें कभी दिखता हूँ. मैं उनको पूरा टाइम घुमाते रहता हूँ. कॉलेज लाइफ ऐसी ही होती है, राइट निकिता?
So सलमान, आप तो टीचर्स के साथ हाइड एंड सीक खेलते रहते हैं, पर आई वुड से डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट योर टीचर्स. किसी दिन पकड़े गए ना तो कहीं लेने के देने ना पड़ जाए. Well guys, अब इस गाने के बाद मैं लेने वाली हूँ एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, तो आप लोग कहीं मत जाए. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @ZoomIt and I'll be right back. Welcome back guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. Well, अब मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ something very comical. That's because Shilpa Shetty seems to be in a comical mood. Well, that's because she has tweeted saying, is this what it's gonna take to feel safe? Well, ये क्वेश्चन तो अब सबके माइंड में है, but it's good to see she's in such a happy mood right now. लेकिन हम भी ज़रा हैप्पी मूड में कम नहीं हैं, इसलिए हम अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट देखेंगे, which is लम्हा तेरा मेरा, requested by Kritika for Chaitanya, and उनका message is, Dear Chaitanya, thanks for bringing happiness in my life, as I have butterflies in my stomach whenever I see you, so I'm dedicating this song to you, कि this लम्हा तेरा मेरा always stays like this forever. Butterflies. I thought you would request for Titli. Okay, bad joke. लेकिन ये जो butterflies वाली feeling होती है ना, I must say it's amazing. For those who've experienced it, I'm sure you all know what I'm talking about. And for those who've not experienced it, don't worry, आपका time भी आएगा. Well, अब हम देखेंगे अपनी अगली request, which is a video request. So let's see.
Hi, my name is Riyan Kapadia. I want to dedicate a song to all my teachers who choose ले just because उन्होंने पढ़ाई लिखाई के मामले में मेरा बहुत सारा खून चूस लिया है, but बहुत सारी मस्ती करके मैंने भी उनका खून चूस लिया है. So अब मैं उन्हें विश करना चाहता हूँ हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Well, खून तो हमारी टीचर्स चूसते ही हैं, but we should understand this कि it's all on a good note. I think we should thank our teachers for whatever they've given us. तो ये गाना हमारी टीचर्स के लिए, but just as a joke. Well, अब इस गाने के बाद it's time for some love की घंटी, which has been requested by Vakar for Namrata Dubey, and उनका message is, don't know if it's love or something else, just thinking about you all the time, feeling you in every step, having you in my dreams, loving you more in every breath, promising myself to be with you all my life. Love की घंटियाँ तो बहुत बज रही हैं. If you're thinking about the person all the time, तो आप फिक्र मत करिए, ज़्यादा confused होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because मैं confirmation देती हूँ, you are totally in love. And now after this we have a short break to take. लेकिन आप लोग कहीं मत जाए, because right after this break there are more requests coming up. So I'm gonna see you after the break. Till then, keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @KoZoomIt. Welcome back, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita, and you're watching Zoom It. Well, अब वक्त हो गया है for some romance, because अभी आने वाला है एक बहुत ही romantic song. Well, let's check out our request.
Hi, this is Bhavin Thakkar here. I'd like to dedicate Tum Hi Ho from Aashiqui 2 to Neha Nagpal, and I'd like to dedicate this song because this song correlates with her, and we have seen this movie together, so I want to dedicate her and to share that I love her a lot.
Well, as I said, there is romance in the air, और इतने romantic message और इतने romantic song के बाद I think it's time कि हम लोग भी थोड़े romantic mood में आ जाए. So check out this song till then. Well, moving on, guys, बहुत ही romantic mood हो गया है, इसलिए we are gonna change that a little bit, because our next request is बदतमीज दिल, जो request किया है सान्या सेठ ने for her mother, and उनका message is, sorry because I have not told that I have opened a Facebook account, but mummy, what to do? बदतमीज दिल माने ना. वैसे you know this goes for you and your mommy both, कि वो ज़माने गए where you needed your parents' permission to have an account on Facebook. आजकल तो it's a social media world, इसीलिए parents are more active than their kids on Facebook. यहाँ तक कि parents can use Facebook to even track their kids' activities. तो इसीलिए मैं तो कहती हूँ कि सौम्या's mom, आप भी अपना एक account खोलो Facebook पे. Well, guys, अब इस गाने के बाद it's time for our last sweet tweet for the day, which happens to be by Madhuri Dixit, and she has tweeted saying, do you guys want to dance with us? So ये भी कोई पूछने की बात है. I'm sure there'll be so many people who'll be dying to dance with the two of y'all. But guys, with this it's a wrap. लेकिन जाने से पहले it's time for me to remind you that you have to keep sending in your requests on apps.facebook.com/gozoomit, and also your video requests on gozoomit@gmail.com. And don't forget to keep chit-chatting with me on my Twitter handle @gozoomit. So I'm gonna see you next week, same time, same place. और तब हम देखेंगे कि Zoom की 9th anniversary पर कौन से celeb ने कौन सा गाना request किया है. So guys, till then, don't just like it, go Zoom it.